They're behind the trees. That one is it.
Whoa.
These aren't.
Whoa!
That covered the whole sky over there. They look like bees, don't they? When they scatter, watch this. It looks like bees, doesn't it? Like they're all coming out of a hive.
Right there. Those ones. See how they're like all...
Yeah.
Boom. Those are the little ones. The little ones at the bunch of yellow, and those are the ones that are loud.
Like that?
No.
These ones. That one.
Yeah.
Oh, that was interesting. That one.
Yeah, the red ones, that
The
go
red
out
and
real
yellow.
far. Yeah, watch, you'll see the little yellow ones. Those ones always remind me of stars.
Huh. There's the North Star, which should be...
Clouds are dead.
There's the North Star, should be the handle of the Little Dipper.
Ooh. Oh, there's another one.
That.
Whoa.
How did you do that? Whoa! How did I keep on doing that? They're shooting fireworks. They have a machine that shoots like 1,000,000 per hour. They did it in the same row. I know. Have you seen a firework? The both fireworks shoot. They
I think it's running in front of me to go.
That's like the end, isn't it?
Yeah.
They shoot like 1,000,000 if they shoot like boom, boom, boom. Hey, Don, did you see Columbus fireworks? They had this one. It was like this one. It was like this one. But the end one was like this is like 1,000,000 miles per hour.
Boom. 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 These little ones, those little yellow ones, red that
big
one right there.
Red big one. Bam!
Here. Bang! Up.
Oh, he was hot.